Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. This is REST Service Consumption Part 2. In my previous video, we are seeing get call and get by key call. In today's video also, we are going to see all the HTTP methods in different way. Okay, let's start. I'm going to consume a REST service. With using data grid, I'm going to display the values also. I'm just configuring the same microflow what we created last time. Now I'm just returning the list. Let me just refresh the microflow in the data grid too. All done. Now I'm going to create the new page also. It's also done. The same way edit page also I'm configuring. All done. Let's execute the application now. Okay, let's check. So I'm just removing the debugger. Yeah, it's working fine. Now we have all the data. I'm just cross checking with server also. Yeah, we have the same data only. Yeah team, again get call is completed. Let's start now post call. Already you guys know what is post call means. So I'm going to post some data now. So employee name money and employee ID EMP0011. I am just executing it. We are getting 201 which is created. Okay, let's call the post call in the app now. I am just opening the new edit page. I think we can split the new and edit page separately for post and patch call. Instead of simply save changes, I am going to call the microflow. Yeah, opening the microflow. Again adding call service activity. This time post call. Same way, copy the request URL from the Swagger. I'm just pasting the value. Now header section, we don't have any authentication. Now we are going to copy the headers from the Swagger. Accept everything and content type application/JSON we have. Yeah, both the headers I'm just added. Now request section, we can send request in many ways. Now we are going with custom request template. Let me copy the request JSON. Now I'm going to pass the employee parameters. Yeah, request is done. Now response, I'm just storing the HTTP method response in a variable. I'm just executing it. Let me create the new employee. Employee name King and ID EMP0012. Hope it's created. Can we check in the server? Let me just checking. Yeah, it's available. Let me just creating new employee Rajnikant. Yeah, good, it's also available. Looks like clicked 2 times. It's duplicated. Let me just change the employee ID. Let's go to the next method, patch operation. This time I'm opening a edit page. Now I'm just creating a microflow. Yeah, it's created. Now before adding a REST call, we need to find the configuration. I'm just changing the duplicated data into Ajit. It's done. We get the configuration. Let me now call REST service. So now we are going with patch call. Let me select the HTTP method as patch. Now we need host URL location. I'm just pasting the location URL. Here also we need to append the employee ID. I'm just appending. Now header section, as usual I'm just copying the headers from the Swagger. Yeah, both headers added. Now request section. Let me copy the request JSON. Similar to post method, I'm just configuring custom request template. Okay, it's done. Yeah, finally response. Store in a HTTP response and variable yes. Just added close activity. I'm just executing now. It's done. Okay, let me edit the data. Ajit to Vijay. Let me check the server now. Yeah, we have the data. Now we are going with the final operation delete. Try it out. I'm just deleting the EMP001. Yeah, response 200. Instead of normal delete, I'm just adding a microflow. Yeah, microflow is added. Adding call REST service activity and selecting method delete. Now host URL. I'm just copying the request URL. I'm just pasting and configuring as per parameter. Now header section, we need to add only one header, accept everything. We don't need any request. Response same way, I'm just storing HTTP response in a variable. Okay, let's start testing now. I'm just deleting employee 009. Now verifying in the servers. Employee. Yeah, we don't have any employee 009 now. Thanks for watching.